Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bubble liquid at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need dish soap, water, and either glycerin or light corn syrup. For the best bubbles, I recommend using distilled water, as it helps prevent mineral deposits from weakening your solution. Choosing a good quality dish soap is also key. It makes a big difference in the strength and longevity of your bubbles. Now, let's mix our ingredients to create the perfect bubble solution. Start by combining 6 cups of water with 1 full cup of your chosen dish soap. Next, carefully add 1/2 cup of either glycerin or light corn syrup. This special ingredient is crucial for making your bubbles stronger and more resilient. Remember to stir the mixture very gently to avoid creating too much foam, as excessive suds can actually make your bubbles harder to blow. To truly elevate your bubble game, here are a few extra tips. After mixing, let your solution rest for at least several hours or even overnight. This resting period allows the ingredients to fully combine, resulting in much stronger and more elastic bubbles. You can also try adding a small amount of granulated sugar to the mix for an extra boost in bubble durability. Don't be afraid to experiment with different dish soap brands to discover your personal favorite recipe. Now that you have your fantastic homemade bubble solution, it's time to have some fun. Get creative with your bubble wands. You can use anything from pipe cleaners to cookie cutters. When you're finished playing, simply store any leftover solution in an airtight container. It will keep well for many weeks, ready for your next bubble adventure. This easy and inexpensive recipe is sure to bring hours of joyful entertainment to everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.